This is Morten from Inkish, and we are here at SuperCore. Just a moment ago, I spoke to Craig from Baldwin about this fantastic cleaning device for Flexo machines. And now we're going to talk to Lee a little bit more in details what it is. Lee, good to see you.
Hi, Morten. Nice to see you again.
Likewise. We saw each other also yesterday evening at the cocktail party, right? Yeah. I mean, when I see a machine like this, in a way, it seems so simple that you can ask yourself, why is it not installed on all machines in the world, right?
That's right. What we also find is the installs that we currently have, both in Europe and the US, the feedback is from many users is that this should be installed on all new machines. The efficiencies surrounding the system is really good. It takes away any manual cleaning in the unit, saves so much time. Comes with a really good ROI. It's a really good investment, and not only is it safe to use this system rather than using doing a manual process. We see that. Do you know when you clean like a printing plate that's 2.8 meters wide, we can fully clean a plate in less than 4 minutes. And then we see kind of in the production run where they're printing a quality job and there's hickeys and so forth, we can clean the hickeys off very fast in a matter of seconds.
Oh, really?
And then the quality can get back to a good standard as what they used to.
Okay, so let's say that I'm a Flexo printer and I have a Flexo press with 7 units or whatever, right?
Yeah.
So of course you mount the sleeves on your machine as normal and you start printing as normal. And then when you buy this Baldwin FlexoCleanerBrush, you mount it directly on your press.
Yes.
So when the job is finished or it needs to gain a better quality because you have to wash it off, basically. There's like a kind of a brush here, a very fine brush here.
Yeah, it's a fine brush and it's purposely manufactured not to damage the printing plate, because what we see is, not only do we clean solid areas, we also clean really fine screens, process plates, even down to like a 1% dot. Yeah. So it's really important that we take care of the plate, not to damage it. Yeah. So it works really well in that area, and a lot of time and design has gone into making sure that we take care.
And it doesn't require any chemicals, consumables. It's just fresh water, right?
What we do is we apply a detergent that's mixed at around 5% with water, so normal house water, and as long as the detergent, the pH level is low enough that it's not going to corrode any aluminium parts, then it's safe to use.
Okay, and what about that percentage? Is that something that is measured in the machine, or you measure that offsite, or?
It's dosed in through a device called a clean liner. So we have a clean liner cabinet, and we have a drum inside that automatically doses the fluid to the brush.
Okay, so now the sleeve is clean and still a bit wet, I guess.
Yes.
But you also have, you said that below here you have like some kind of
an air knife. Yeah.
Knife.
So what we do is within the cleaning process that's less than 4 minutes, it's around 3 minutes 50 seconds. Once we've finished cleaning, we then introduce air. So we have a high velocity air that's going in to dry all the moisture from the plate. What's really important by doing that is that we need to clear all the moisture from the low-lying areas of the plate, in case they get printing again and there's no moisture evident on the printed board and that the quality is back to normal. Not only that, if they were to take the plate off and hang it in a rack, there's no risk of the plate sticking together because there's no moisture there. So the air knife is a very important part of the system as well, to make sure that the plates are very clean, very dry when they get dismounted from the press.
And as we spoke about before and also mentioned with Greg, basically when you are visiting printing companies or converters today that have flexo presses and have manual processes for this, it takes a long time. It's sometimes can be difficult to get labor that actually wants to do that kind of jobs.
Yes.
So the payment back, or the repayment time on this investment here are extremely low, right? Extremely
low. When you consider the lost time in cleaning plates and from doing it manually, everybody cleans differently and so on. The ROI on this system is extremely quick. You're talking maybe 8 months.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. And not only that, because you said also that basically means that the press will have less downtime, right?
The press will have less downtime. It will give the company more opportunity to either print more boards or even have more maintenance time on the machine. And when it comes to this system, when we talk about maintenance, it's very, very maintenance free. We clean the spray tubes every couple of weeks, and it's set to go. There's no need to clean the brush manually. It automatically cleans itself. So it's very maintenance free as a system.
Well, I have learned, learned something from visiting a trade show. So,
Morton,
Lee,
nice to see you
much.
again, and thank you very
Nice
much.
to see you too. Yeah.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Yeah.